Hello friends, people remember the product advertisement which is creative and look at these CGI videos. So if you also want to create a CGI videos for your product, then in today's video I'll show you how to do it. First of all, visit the tools website. You will find the website link in the description. So click on it, and once you are on the site, click on Start for Free button. You can sign up using Google account, and after that you can see the dashboard. As you can see, Topview AI offers lot of features like avatar marketing videos, video avatar, product any shoot, amongst others. So Topview AI offers multiple features, and I have created explaining them in different videos. So if you want to check them out, check out the links in the description. So today we want to make CGI video. We'll click on product any shoot. As soon as you click it, a new panel will open. On the right side, you will see a click to upload box. Click on it and you need to upload your product image here. I'm uploading mine. So after uploading, you will find brush and erase tools here. You can adjust their size as needed. Then select how many images you want to generate. In the center, you will find three options: public template, AI create, and local upload. I'll choose the public template. So click on it. Here you will see lot of categories for product promotions. To make CGI video, click on creative template. Now you will see plenty of CGI templates here. Pick whichever you like. If you want to create your own, you can click on material maker. I like this one, so I'll select it. Now using the brush tool, highlight the area around your product in the template. I'll quickly do it. Done. Next, click on the generate button. In just few minutes, Topview AI will create your CGI product image. And here is the before and after result. Pretty good, right?
Yes.
Now let's turn these image into CGI video. Let's see how to do it. Click on image you just generated. So you can download the image from here too. Then click on image to video. On the left side, you will see prompt box. Type in kind of CGI video you want. I have already written my prompt, so I'll paste it here. If you want to see the prompt, you can find it in the description. Next, select the video quality and duration as per your requirement. If you want, you can also add a negative prompt in the box below to avoid any unwanted elements. I'm just skipping it. Finally, click on generate. In the few minutes, Topview AI will create your CGI video. And here is the final result. So if you found this video about CGI creation helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share it with your e-commerce friends. If you want to support me, you can find the UPI link and buy me a coffee link in the description. See you in the next one.